In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using CSV Excel or Google Sheets. We'll start in your browser, make sure your spreadsheet is set up correctly, export it to CSV, and then bring everything into Asana by mapping your columns to the right fields. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have your tasks neatly organized in a new or existing project. First, open your preferred browser and search for Asana. Click the official Asana website, then sign in. You can log in with your email and password, or use your Google account if that's how your workspace is set up. Once you're in, keep Asana open. We'll come back after preparing the file. Before importing, structure your spreadsheet so Asana can read it cleanly. Each row should represent exactly one task. Think of rows as tasks and columns as the details about those tasks. Make sure the very first row contains clear headers. At a minimum, include task names so Asana knows what to call each task. Common headers you can add are assignee, due date, and description. Keep your header names simple and consistent. Avoid merged cells and use a single date format throughout your sheet, such as YYYYMMDD or MMDDYYY. When your data looks good, export it to CSV. In Microsoft Excel, go to File, then Save As, and choose CSV as the file type. Save it somewhere easy to find. In Google Sheets, go to File, then Download, and select comma-separated values. This produces the CSV file Asana expects. Now return to Asana. Navigate to the project where you want these tasks to live. Open that project, then click the small drop-down arrow next to the project's name. From the menu, choose Import Spreadsheet or Import Project, depending on what you see in your interface. This opens the import flow. Upload your CSV file and follow the prompts. Asana will ask you to map your columns to its fields. Match task. Name to task name, assignee to assignee, due date to due date, and description to description. Review the preview carefully. If your dates look off, adjust the date format selection. If an assignee isn't recognized, the task will usually import unassigned, and you can assign it later. You can leave any extra columns unmapped or map them to available fields if they're relevant. When everything looks correct, confirm the import. Asana will create your tasks, and you'll see them populate in your project. Take a moment to scan through, spot-check a few tasks, and make small edits if needed. If something doesn't look right, update your CSV and run the import again. That's it. Your project is now in Asana, ready for tracking and collaboration.